Chewie was actually the first voice that I was hired to work on back when Star Wars was just in a script stage.
That old man is mad.
You said it, Chewie.
They knew they had this character named Chewbacca who was going to have to act and appear in the scenes with the other actors.
Where the hell have you been? Where the hell have you been? All right, don't lose your temper. I'll come right back and give you a hand. Where you going? To make my report. Tell them we're leaving then. All right.
The question was, what would he sound like? He's not going to speak English. He's going to speak some sort of alien, animal type of voice. It's supposed to be an intelligent language, but not English, and not German, not French, not something we'd really recognize. It had to be something made out of animal sound.
Yes, stop, please. I'm not ready to die.
One of the first meetings I had with George Lucas, we talked this over, and he said something about, well, maybe bears would sound good. He had heard some recording maybe somewhere of bears growling and making vocalizations. That'd be one of the things you might look into, and we had a list of different animals to go out and record. So in the sort of year I spent recording preliminary sounds for Star Wars, I collected lots of bear sounds, as well as walruses and lions and badgers and sick animals and, domestic and all sorts of things. And out of all these recordings, you could extract little bits of sound, little grunts and moans and ughs and args and purring sounds, whatever it might be. And I collected, put all on one tape, essentially, all these sounds which I thought had emotional feelings associated with them. You play this sound, it sounded affectionate. You played this other sound, it sounded angry. In that manner, I kind of had these categories of little sounds that each had an emotional tone associated with it. So I began cutting those together to try to get a sense of speech out of Chewie, and to also get something that would work well with the way his mouth moved. He didn't have articulated lips. He could basically open and close his mouth. So you also needed to create a sound which would be believable as coming from a mouth which was operating like his did. And through a great deal of trial and error, came up with a voice for Chewbacca in that fashion. So it's a voice which is manufactured completely out of animal sounds, principally bears, and synchronized with the performance that's shot during filming.